Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Pintu Wallet on your laptop. Dark mode is easy on your eyes and it gives your wallet a modern feel. So first you need to open your browser on your laptop and you need to go to the official Pintu Wallet website. In the top there's a search bar, type down Pintu Wallet and enter over there, and when you reach into this interface you need to select this option that says trading crypto and future. Over here, when you reach into this interface, again select launch pro on desktop. Wallet is a popular because it's easy to use, support multiple cryptocurrency and help users manage their digital assets safely. Even if the mobile app is not available in some countries, you can still access Pintu using desktop or web methods. Over here, when you reach into this official Pintu Wallet interface, and in the top right corner we could find this option of this menu. You need to simply click over there and the theme simply changes, and you'll see option like this mode. You can simply click over there and it changes, and that is it. You have successfully turned on dark mode in Pintu Wallet on your laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.